Touchdown in Lagos, the heartbeat of Nigeria. A city that never sleeps, where the hustle and bustle are as constant as the setting sun. Welcome to Lagos, Nigeria's largest city and economic powerhouse. It's a city that thrives on movement, a symphony of sights and sounds that floods the senses. Every street corner boasts a new experience, a new story waiting to be discovered. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the vibrant street life of Lagos. From the bustling Balogun market, where you can haggle for anything from textiles to electronics, to the animated chatter of local vendors selling street food like suya and akara. It's a sensory overload of colors, sounds, and smells that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of Lagos. But there's more to it. Forget the city's landmarks. The Lekki Conservation Center, a haven for nature lovers, offers a refreshing break from the city's hustle and bustle. Or the Nike Art Gallery, a testament to Nigeria's rich artistic heritage, where every painting and sculpture tells a story of the country's past, present, and future. From its high-energy music scene to its colorful markets, Lagos is a city that pulses with life. It's a place where ancient traditions and modernity collide, resulting in a unique blend that you won't find anywhere else. It's a city that's always on the move, always evolving, yet deeply rooted in its culture and history. So whether you're here for the music, the food, the art, or the sheer energy of its streets, Lagos promises an adventure like no other. As we journey further into the heart of Nigeria, remember, Lagos is just the beginning. From its high-energy music scene to its colorful markets, Lagos is a city that pulses with life, a true testament to the Nigerian spirit. And what's a journey without a taste adventure? Nigeria's culinary scene is as diverse as its ethnic groups, with each dish telling a story of its own. From the bustling streets of Lagos to the serene highlands of Jos, the delicious aroma of Nigerian cuisine wafts through the air, inviting you to partake in a culinary journey like no other. Each region, each tribe, brings to the table a unique flavor, a distinct style of cooking that has been passed down through generations. Take jollof rice, for instance. This one-pot wonder, a vibrant medley of rice, tomatoes, onions, and spices, is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of celebration, a staple at every Nigerian gathering, from weddings to birthdays. Whether it's the spicy variant from the Yoruba people or the more subtly flavored version from the Igbo, each bite of jollof rice is a gastronomic celebration. Next on our culinary exploration is egusi soup, a thick, hearty broth made from melon seeds, vegetables, and meat or fish. Originating from the Igbo tribe, egusi soup is a testament to Nigeria's agricultural heritage, a nod to the country's rich bounty. Paired with pounded yam, it's a meal that speaks of home and comfort. And let's not forget suya, the beloved street food of Nigeria. These skewers of grilled meat, dusted with a spice mix called yaji, are a late-night favorite, a testament to Nigeria's love for communal dining and lively conversation. In Nigeria, food is more than sustenance. It's a conversation starter, a reason to gather, a source of national pride. Each dish, from the simplest snack to the most elaborate feast, is imbued with history and tradition, a reflection of Nigeria's diverse cultures and vibrant spirit. In Nigeria, food is a language, a way of expressing love and hospitality. Each dish is a tale of tradition, a piece of the country's rich cultural tapestry. Next, we journey north to Kano, one of Nigeria's oldest cities, where history whispers from every corner. Let's take you on a walk through Kano's past, where the ancient Kano city walls stand as silent witnesses to the city's illustrious history. Constructed over 7 centuries ago, these walls, with their impressive gates, have been guarding the city ever since, their earthen structure seemingly a symbol of the city's resilience. But Kano isn't just about ancient relics. It's a city that's throbbing with life, with culture, with soul. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, not just in the physical structures, but in the very fabric of the city's social life. As we move deeper into the city, our next stop is the Emir's Palace, a grand spectacle that reflects the city's royal lineage. This sprawling complex, with its intricate architectural designs, is more than just the Emir's residence. It's a symbol of the city's cultural heritage, a testament to the grandeur of the past. But Kano's historical significance isn't just confined to its walls and palaces. This city has been a center for Muslim culture and education for centuries. Its numerous mosques and madrasas have been nurturing minds and spirits, contributing to the city's intellectual vibrancy. As we walk through the city's bustling streets, the call to prayer echoes from the minarets, blending seamlessly with the sounds of everyday life. It's a harmonious symphony that encapsulates the essence of Kano, a city deeply rooted in tradition, yet pulsating with modern energy. And it's not just the sounds. The city's vibrant markets, offering everything from handcrafted leather goods to aromatic spices, add color and texture to the city's rich tapestry, making Kano a sensory delight. In Kano, the past and present mingle seamlessly, creating a city that's a living testament to Nigeria's rich history and enduring traditions. Beyond the cities, Nigeria boasts a wealth of natural beauty that takes your breath away. This land, steeped in history and culture, is also home to a myriad of stunning landscapes and natural wonders that will leave you in awe. Let's start with Zuma Rock, a magnificent monolith standing tall against the Nigerian sky. This majestic rock formation, often dubbed the gateway to Abuja, is a marvel to behold. It's not just a sight for sore eyes, it's a testament to the sheer power and artistry of nature. Next, we journey to ASO Rock. Towering over the capital city of Abuja, this colossal rock formation is a sight to behold. Its name, ASO, means victorious in the native Gwari language, a fitting tribute to the indomitable spirit of the Nigerian people. But Nigeria's natural beauty isn't limited to its rock formations. From savannas that stretch to the horizon to rainforests teeming with life, the country's diverse landscapes are a testament to its unique position at the crossroads of West Africa. Perhaps one of the most breathtaking of these landscapes is the Awum waterfall. Nestled in the heart of the Awum town in Enugu State, this waterfall is a spectacle of nature's raw power and serene beauty. The waterfall's water is said to have healing properties, and the surrounding caves are steeped in local lore and mythology. Each of these natural wonders tells a story of time, of resilience, of the enduring beauty of our planet. They serve as reminders of our connection to nature, of the delicate balance that exists between man and the environment. In Nigeria, Mother Nature outdoes herself, painting landscapes that capture the heart and stir the soul. From towering monoliths to cascading waterfalls, from sweeping savannas to lush rainforests, Nigeria's natural wonders are a testament to the country's rich and diverse natural heritage. So, if you're ready for an adventure that transcends the typical tourist trail, that delves into the heart of nature and offers sights that will leave you breathless, then Nigeria awaits. In Nigeria, Mother Nature outdoes herself, painting landscapes that capture the heart and stir the soul. But perhaps Nigeria's greatest charm lies in its people and their vibrant cultures. Nestled within this vast country are over 250 ethnic groups, each with its own unique traditions, languages, and festivals. A vibrant tapestry woven with threads of history and heritage that tells the story of a nation so diverse yet so harmoniously united. Take a stroll through the bustling streets of Lagos, and you'll be swept up in the energetic Eyo Festival. A spectacle of white-clad masquerades, the festival is an homage to the city's past kings and chiefs. It's a sight to behold, a dance between tradition and modernity, a testament to the enduring spirit of Lagos. Journey north, and you'll find yourself in the midst of the Grand Durbar Festival. A rich display of Nigeria's equestrian heritage, the festival is a symphony of color and sound. The rhythmic clip-clop of hooves, the resonating hum of traditional music, the vibrant hues of elaborately adorned horses and riders. It's a celebration of culture that echoes through the ages. But Nigeria's vibrant cultures aren't just found in its festivals. They're woven into the languages spoken, over 500 of them, each with its own distinct melody. They're etched into the intricate patterns of traditional attires, telling tales of heritage and identity. They're in the heartwarming smiles of the locals, in their hospitality, in their resilience. From the rhythmic dances of the Yoruba to the melodic languages of the Ijaw, from the intricate beadwork of the Hausa to the vibrant attires of the Igbo, Nigeria's cultures are a symphony of diversity. It's a beautiful harmony of traditions that make the country truly unique. From the rhythmic dances to the melodic languages, Nigeria's cultures are a symphony of diversity, a beautiful harmony of traditions that make the country truly unique.